I'm not recording on this.
Oh, he's not recording on that, but you're recording on that.
Okay.
Someone's always recording. The government's recording right now.
Stand by.
You could waste 30 seconds on that.
All right. You're done if the chamber shall clear.
You don't want to hit it 30 times. You just hit 20 and 10 or something.
Okay.
Stand by.
Yeah, spalling. Yeah.
Best for last. Shooter, give me a nod when you're ready. Give me a nod. Stand by. Oh, fuck, there's a dog. Upward. Shooter, show me.
TJ, did you want this?
No, not right now.
All right.
All right, going hot. You are clear to load and make ready. Are you ready? Stand by.
Hey, when you go on the website, they'll tell you if they have it installed. Your house, whatever you they will
Nice.
but they're
You're done. Empty chamber show clear. Yep, that's clear. Slide forward, hammer down. 3307. Range is clear. Shooter, hold on. Stand by.
Go get your mag. You got it?
All right. Range is hot. Shooter, load and make ready. Shooter, give me an L nod when you're ready. Stand by.
Fucking up.
All right, you're over. Shooter, show me clear. Show me empty chamber.
Jesus.
Drop the hammer. Range is clear. Over.
Very nice.
Clear. Over down. You got clear to load and make ready?
Who's scoring?
Yep, you're good.
At least we gotta wait for the tablet.
Are you ready? Stand by. Nice. You're done. If your chamber show clear,
Nice.
that chamber is clear. Slide
It's hot.
forward, hammer
Okay.
down.
Joseph, Danny, Cameron.
All right, shooter, go ahead, load, make ready. Shooter, give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by. Over. Whoop. Gun down range, gun down range. You're good, you're good, you're good. Shooter, show me an empty chamber. Go ahead, drop your hammer. Go. You good, dude?
That's where he almost died.
30,
Hit the bone. You didn't hit the bone. Oh. You missed the bone. Does he that one?
All right, shooter, make ready. Shooter, give a nod when you're ready. Go clear. Hammer down.
All right, correct. Do the farmer.
Okay, you're clear to load and make ready. Are you ready? Stand by.
All of them?
All right, if you're done, empty chamber show clear. That is clear. Slide forward, hammer down, holster. All right, range is clear.
The box, make ready.
Perfect thing to use. What you use for fishing.
Yeah, so like I've had my on these for a while, but it was always the price. But then it costs. Goes
Shooter,
down.
go ahead, nod when ready.
And,
Stand by.
They had like a bunch of this is like the most
No one's behind the barrels. That joke's getting old. Shooter, give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by. Oh my God, I'm gonna come. show me an empty chamber. Go ahead, drop that hammer, holster, range.
What is this? Stage 4? 3? I don't fucking remember. I don't care. Anyways, you did pretty well on this one. I think you beat me on the stage, didn't you? Right?
I think so because I didn't almost eat shit. This little spinner really tried to get me though. Like
yeah, but you got it.
It went for you, but yeah, I dumped a couple on there.
Yeah.
These guys got in an argument with the bonus on that one.
I mean, you did the dueling tree pretty well. I mean, I had trouble with it, but it is what it is.
Yeah, I threw a couple, and I mean, really just forgetting to reload after that spinner really nailed me on that plate rack.
Yeah.
It's hard to get back on there. But here's Chris now running his stage. Or the same stage.
Well, I mean, that's a pretty good draw, but God, that gay CZ runs really well.
Yeah, no, it's a speedy boy.
And then I hit I think it was the softest patch of sand. I was like, well, here I go.
You had to reload too.
Yeah, I know. But this is funny. Run, hit that one.
And then it just falls. You can see it get hit too.
Yeah, I know. I was like, sweet. I willed it into falling.
So this is the last stage of the day.
Yes.
This is where I am like just about to pass out. It was like 109 degrees outside. But these big spinners I was getting pretty good. It's just need a heavier round. Using 124 grains, need to go a little heavier.
Yeah, I mean, did you miss any on the Texas Star? No, you didn't, right?
I got all of them, but I threw one round on it and had to put a second round on it. First time too.
And then I go for a butt shot, because that's what friends do.
And then you got to get to this extreme corner here, and this is how paranoid I was on this round. I carry 5 mags, and
you dumped all 5.
I was on my last mag.
Yeah, I just gave you all of them. I was like, here are all your mags, sir.
There they are, and there's my sunburn ass chest. Shooter, load and make ready. Shooter, give me a sup when you're ready. Alright, stand by. Over. Shooter, show me an empty chamber. Wow. And drop it. Holster. Range is clear. 3581.
Where'd that go?
Wow.
Are you shooting spears?
Yeah.
Is that now? Alright, shooter. Load and make ready. Oh, you're a stroke.
What was it?
Shooter, give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by.
drop it. Drop the hammer, holster. Range is clear.
Now you can drop. Now you can drop.
I know, right?
Minus 1.17.
Shooter, load and make ready.
Minus 51 here. Let's go.
Shooter, give me a nod when you're ready. Stand by. Show me an empty chamber. Drop the hammer.